Hi scholars! For those of you who don't know me, I'm Mrs. Kohle and this is Summer Snacks. So this summer, since we're doing extended school year through distance learning and myself and Mrs. Brown can't deliver lunch and breakfast to you guys, I thought I would make some videos showing you guys how to make some easy snacks at home. So for today, we'll be making mini pizzas two different ways. So what you're gonna need, one kind of the mini pizza, I'm going to show you how to make an English muffin pizza. So you'll need an English muffin or any kind of bread you like. You could use a bagel, you could use toast. The second way is, zucchini pizza bites. So for this you'll need a zucchini instead of a bread. What else you'll need some pizza sauce. You can use your favorite pizza sauce, pasta sauce, anything like that. Or if you don't like tomatoes, you can do butter and garlic. You'll also need some cheese and any other pizza toppings that you like. I have a little bit of chopped up roasted pepper. So let's give it a try. So for the English muffin pizza, the first thing we're gonna do is cut our muffin in half. And obviously be careful using a knife if you're using one, and get your parents' permission to use it. Once your English muffin is sliced, we're gonna add the sauce. So I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce to 1/2 of my pizza. And for the other half, I'm gonna do a white pizza. So I'm gonna do butter and garlic. I'm using spreadable butter, but you can use whatever you have at home. You can brush it with melted butter. I'm using garlic powder. You could use cut up fresh garlic, minced garlic from a jar, or just use butter. Next, I'm going to add cheese. And then you can add whatever toppings you want. In my case, some green pepper. And I'm just gonna add it on one of them. The other one I'm gonna leave as a plain cheese pizza. Once your pizzas are assembled, stick them in the toaster oven. So you can cook these in a toaster oven on the toast setting like I'm doing, or you can put them in your regular oven at about 350 degrees, and you're just watching them to wait until the cheese melts. When the cheese on your pizzas is looking melted, you can go ahead and take them out, and they're ready to eat. So the second way we're gonna make these pizzas is zucchini pizza bites. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a knife and slice my zucchini into small little discs. Again, get permission before using a knife. Once your zucchinis are sliced, you can line them up on a baking sheet. And just like with the English muffins, top them with a little bit of sauce. And a little bit of cheese. for the zucchinis, you're going to put them in a 400-degree oven and cook them for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted and the zucchinis are looking a little brown. So while we're waiting for the pizza to cook, how about a history fact about pizza? I'm sure most of you already know that pizza originated in Italy, but cultures all around the world have different types of flatbreads with various toppings on them. The first mention of these in history was in like the 6th century BC, where the ancient Persian army would bake flatbread on top of their battle shields and put like raisins and maybe cheese on top. Pizza as we know it these days came about in Italy, in Naples, but it really didn't become the pizza we know it until tomatoes were brought to Europe from the Americas. And this happened around the 16th century. For a long time, people were kind of distrustful of tomatoes because the family plants they come from is poisonous. So it took a while for the tomato to become a thing in Europe, but once it did, it was like, boom, tomatoes. And pizza became a thing around the Naples area, and pizza was brought to the US by Italian immigrants. And now we have like a million different kinds of pizza. We have New York pizza, we have New Haven style pizza, we have Chicago deep dish, we have Detroit style pizza, and it's become such a big part of American culture. But it originated thousands and thousands of years ago. The more you know. When your zucchini pizza bites look like this, they are ready to come out. And there you have it. Snack-sized pizza that you can make any way you want. So I hope you all enjoyed the first video. I hope I gave you some inspiration on how to make pizza the way you like it. And with any of these videos I'm doing, feel free, change up the recipe, experiment, and make it the way you want it. We'll see you again tomorrow.